Welcome back class. In this video we will study some important committee reports subject wise which all are important for prelims, and if you are preparing for UPSC you can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, and if you need short notes in tabular form you can WhatsApp us also. So let's start the video. So first subject related committees is economy. So Sailesh Nayak Committee based on CRZ, that is Coastal Regulation Zone. Ratan Vatal Committee is on financial digital payments. Chandra Babu Naidu, constituted by the Niti Aayog to promote cashless society and digital economy. NK Singh panel, it is on reviewing FRBM Act. Tarun Ramodarai Committee was constituted by RBI on household finances. Nachiket More is on comprehensive financial crisis for small business and poor households. Narayan Murthy is set up by SEBI on corporate governance. P. Shom Committee, that is constituted by Prime Minister of India in 2012 for drawing up financial guidelines on GAR, that is General Anti-Avoidance Rule, and mainly to bring tax clarity and address concerns of foreign investors. PJ Nayak Committee on Bank Board Bureau, Vijay Kelkar Committee on Fiscal Consolidation and Deficit Reduction, Bimal Jalan Committee is on Expenditure Management, Urjit Patel Committee 2014 on Monetary Policy Framework, Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission 2011 is on Indian Financial Code to replace bulk of existing financial laws, and Independent Public Debt Management Agency. C. Rangarajan Committee is for management of public expenses and also on poverty estimation. Shyamla Gopinath Patel is on a small savings scheme. UK Sina Committee set up by RBI to suggest long-term solutions for sustainability of MSME sector. Subhash Garg Patel to consolidate laws related to payments, that is independent PRB, to ensure soundness of payment system. Neelkani panel, it is on digital payments ecosystem. Anup Satpathy Export Committee on national minimum wage. Sunil Mehta Committee on faster resolution of stressed assets. HR Khan Committee on FPI financial portfolios. Usha Thorat panel on offshore rupee markets constituted by RBI to recommend policy to ensure stability of external rupee value. Suresh Mathur Committee on Microinsurance. KN Raj Committee, that is on agricultural wealth and income. LK Jha Committee is on indirect tax reforms. Raja Chelia Committee is on direct tax reforms. Arvind Mayaram Committee on FDI liberalization. Tarapore Committee on capital account convertibility. Vijay Bhaskar Committee on financial benchmark. VK Kamathakoti Task Force is on use of artificial intelligence for economic transformation. Arvind Modi Task Force for drafting new direct tax legislation. TK Viswanathan Committee on insider trading. Baba Kalyani Committee on SEZ policy. RN Tandon Committee drug labeling, and Rajiv Kumar Committee selling of oil fields. Next, on environment, Mihir Shah Committee is on National Water Commission. Gadzil Committee and Kasturi Rangan is on Western Ghats. Justice Giridhar Malviya Committee is on National River Ganga, the Rejuvenation, Conservation and Management Bill. And Mata Prasad Committee is on Power Sector. Next is on security, that is Soli Sarbji Committee on Police Reforms. Madhukar Gupta on strengthening border protection along Indo-Pak border. Malimath Committee on CGS reform, witness protection also proposed and make section 497, that is adultery, gender neutral. Shekatkar Committee on military reforms. Justice J.S. Verma Committee, criminal law, enhanced punishment for sexual offences against women. And Chandrasekhar Shekharan Committee, Use of Artificial Intelligence in Military. S. Vijay Kumar Committee on NGOs Monitoring. Next is on elections. Indrajit Gupta Committee, State Funding of Elections. Vohra Committee, Criminalization of Politics and Nexus between Criminals, Bureaucrats and Politicians. Umesh Sinha Committee on Section 126 RPA, that is Reforms in Election Campaigning. And R. Madhav Menon Committee on Ombudsman, Political Neutrality and Only Government During Power Elections. Law Commission, that is 170th Report on Simultaneous Elections. Next is on Shyam Benegal, that is on CBFC reforms, film certification. Arvind Committee on MCI, Medical Commission of India, that is clinical trials. N.L. Sharda Patel, reviewing revamping official state database. Shanta Kumar Committee, overall improvement in management of food grain by FCI PDS. Next is on polity. Justice B.N. Sri Krishna, review of institutionalization of arbitration mechanisms in India, that is data protection. Hota Committee on Civil Service Reform. Santhanam Committee on CBI and CVC. Swaran Singh Committee on FDs, Parliamentary Systems. Sumit Bose on HR for Gram Panchayat. Sarkaria Committee, Interstate Council. Hota Committee, Specialization of Civil Services. Surendra Nath Committee on Lateral Entry. Next is on Science and Technology. VM Katoch Committee, Domestic Manufacture of API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredients, main raw materials in pharma protection. AJ Paul Raj Committee, Roadmap for 5G services. Next is on Society. TSR Subramanian Committee on New Education Policy. Mullah Committee on Jail Reforms. National Commission for Religious and Linguistic Minorities, that is headed by Justice Rangnath Mishra, on de-links Supreme Court status from religion. Justice Amitav Roy Committee on Prison Reforms. Rajiv Goba Panel Report, Social Media. And N. Gopal Swamy Committee on IOE. Bej Baruha Committee on Concern of People from NER in other parts of India. Next is on agriculture. Ashok Dalwai Committee on doubling farmers' income. M.S. Swaminathan Committee on MSP. Anupam Verma Committee on pesticides, that is review use of pesticide in India, that is ban in other countries. Next is on education. TSR Subramanian, no detention policy till class 5th and Indian education services, 6% spending of GDP. Yashpal Committee, multiple regulatory bodies be brought under single commission. So these committees are important for prelims. You have to learn committees and which committees belong to or on which particular topic. You just read these, because UPSC can ask the matching form, that which committee is related to which one. You can learn by this table. Thank you, class.